How currency market affects the stock market.
A presentation from Joe and Phoebe Money Show.
The weak dollar today is great for the stock market. U.S. exports will be more competitive.
This makes sense. I should buy some stocks.
Same portfolio manager on the TV 6 months ago.
The strong dollar today is great for the stock market. This shows that foreign investors have confidence in the U.S., which is great for U.S. assets.
This makes sense. I should buy some stocks.
What? This makes absolutely zero sense. How can a weak dollar and a strong dollar be both good for the stock market?
You need to think of different sectors of the stock market.
I don't get it.
Of course, you do, Joe. You have just forgotten what we had learned in global financial markets years ago. When the dollar is weaker, U.S. companies which sell into the global market become more competitive and more profitable. For example, energy and material stocks. When the dollar is stronger, money could be flowing in because the economic fundamentals are constructive. GDP growth rate is strong and inflation is not a problem.
Which is likely at the early stage of an economic recovery. And I remember in Professor Chia's class that a strong US dollar puts deflationary pressure on the global economy, leading to lower commodity prices, especially oil.
This is because it would cost the other countries more of their own currencies for the same volume of imports which are invoiced in US dollars.
What sectors would benefit in this scenario?
Since a strong dollar would reduce commodity prices and imported inflation, interest rates would likely be lower. I would buy utilities and real estate stocks, especially the firms with a lot of debt.
With lower interest rates, companies with a lot of debt will be able to refinance at a lower rate to reduce their interest expense. Now this all makes sense. Thanks, Phoebe.
No worries.
Hey Phoebe.
What?
Do you still have the Global Financial Markets class notes? My dog ate all my handouts.
Yay, right. Your digital dog ate all our class PDF notes.
Presentation on how the currency market affects the stock market
Is brought to you by the Joe and Phoebe Money Show.